Now start the engine. Advance the machine until the coupling is almost touching. Shut down the machine engine. Have a helper standing by. Open the spoil door. From a safe location, observe the alignment of the hex coupling and auger shank. Align the connecting pinholes and then advance until the hex is fully seated. Rotate the drive until the connecting pinhole is visible. Now shut down the engine. Reach in through the spoil door and insert the connecting pin. Restart the engine and rotate the coupling 180 degrees until the lower end of the connecting pin is visible. Shut down the engine and remove the ignition key. Open the spoil door. Install a cotter pin in the lower end of the connecting pin. Securely close the spoil door. Whether it's additional horsepower, improved cutting ability, operator comfort, or other project needs, you'll find yourself performing at your best with American Augers. Our full line of auger boring accessories, directional drill accessories, and product tooling options all come with the same guarantee that only the Augers Advantage can provide. American Augers manufactures pumping systems to mix and dispense bentonite slurry to the head end of the casing. As a result, less thrust pressure is required to push the casing through the ground.
American Augers builds this little B114 3P as a mud mix and bentonite pump. We use it to lubricate the outside of the casing, also the augers and the casing on the inside.
Auger Boring Disc Cutter Heads by American Augers offers the latest field-proven innovation in auger boring technology. Retractable cutting heads allow for cutter change and service that can be accomplished outside of the heading. Large diameter cutting heads allow for the head to retract from the face without moving the product casing. Larger openings in the cutter head allow for removal of face cutters. With American Augers' proven cutter design, you can expect long and complete cutter life. The cutter head is mounted to the casing, which allows for greater head stability and longer head life. Power-assisted steering jacks allow for easier steering corrections, while a retractable steering assembly allows for better access to the cutter head. There's a greater area for quick removal and passage of spoils from face, which increases cutter life by not allowing cutters to roll over in spoils. And a hex adapter adapts to fit any size or brand of auger boring machine with 3-inch, 4-inch, and 5-inch hex. The HTD Cutting Head by American Augers is a versatile, field-proven cutting head that is equipped with carbide cutting tips to handle dirt, soft rock, clay, sand, and other intrusive low-impact ground materials. The HTR Cutting Head by American Augers is the right choice in product tooling when a durable, field-proven cutter is needed to bore through fractured rock, hard dirt, or solid clay ground conditions. The heavy-duty rock head or Christmas tree head by American Augers is the durable cutting head that is ideal for bores through soft rock formations, harp pan, shale, gravel, small boulders, and other like intrusive ground conditions, up to 6,000 psi. The design benefit is that the V shape of the head provides a self-centering action, which helps to maintain ideal line and grade. The head also features tungsten carbide bullet bits that can be used at aggressive drill angles.
American Augers continues to stand fine customer support by continuing to contact customers, visit customers, and good relations with customers.
They back their product, and even when you're in trouble, you can call them, and they'll always bail you out.
If you have any questions about the features or operation of any American Augers product, please contact us toll-free at 800-324-4930. American Augers' knowledgeable and professionally trained service technicians provide direct factory support and training on all of our products and equipment. Each service technician is highly trained to deal with any service, startup, or customer service needs that may arise with American Augers equipment.
The customer has to feel important, and they do here at American Augers. When they have that accessibility to our top management, and the door's always open for them, and they know that, they feel important, and they feel like they're part of our team.
They will back you 100%, like from the general manager down to the parts man. Everybody will back you 100%.
We will now go over the basic procedures for making a cased bore. American Augers encourages you to contact the factory for technical assistance whenever there's a question about technique or a particular machine on the job. Support the casing housing to ensure proper bore path. American Augers does not endorse free boring. Start rotating at a low RPM using a slow thrust advance. Let the saddle slip off the front of the track as the casing advances. When about 10 feet of casing has entered the ground, shut down the engine and check the line and grade of the casing. All American Augers next generation boring machines are equipped with exclusive Quick-Tran technology, which is the fast return rack and pinion system that makes auger boring easier, safer, and faster. The Augers advantage is American Augers' 37 years of auger boring and directional drilling experience, which continues to lead the way in mechanical, technological, and customer-based design improvements for the horizontal earth boring and directional drill market.
Oh man, well look at it. I mean, they got the retract. Look at the horsepower, the hydraulic system. It's superior. I mean, nobody can even come close to it. I mean, this is the 21st century and they're so far ahead of everybody, it's just unbelievable.
American Augers continues to factory direct support our machines so that we support our customers' success.
I have the confidence knowing that the product that I'm selling is going to last, it is going to do the job, and my customer's not going to be calling me back with a lot of problems.
Other manufacturers may make these same claims, but every American Augers drill delivers on this promise.
We are doing things that I would never have thought 30 years ago would happen to this industry. It's going to progress, it's going to get better, much easier to operate, much easier to get from point A to point B on your bore.
That is why, from thoughtful design to flawless engineering and manufacturing, through experienced sales and support, American Augers is drilling the world with success.